Welcome to Hindustan Times Digital. My name is Aditya, and today we are going to look at the Samsung Galaxy Buds True Wireless Earbuds in the market. These are powered by AKG and they come with Bluetooth support for connectivity and offer noise cancellation support as well. So let's start with the unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Live. So let's unbox the Galaxy Bud Live. As you can see, we've got the Mystique Black variant of the Buds, and the box is pretty compact, I would say, because for its size you've got a charging case inside, you've got the micro USB cable for charging, and it also shares a lot of details about this Buds. So let's read through this. So the Buds Live basically have an ergonomic fit, we'll check out in a while. It offers 6 to 21 hours playtime, and triple mics for clear call basically is a support which is essential, especially when you're going to be taking calls on the move. And apart from that, you have active noise cancellation, which I think for this price is an essential feature these days. So let's get started and see what's inside the box now. And this is, as we mentioned, it's a white box, but the charging case for the Buds comes in black color, so which is good because the Mystique Black variant of the Beans get the actual color with which they blend into the features of the earbuds. This is the earbuds, and it's basically in the shape of a Beans, which is quite unique because you usually don't see those kinds. I mean, we've seen so many other brands offering in different shapes and sizes. So in this box you have the warranty card, which gives you all the details that you need in terms of understanding the validity of the product, especially when you buy it. You have the product manual, which gets you started with using the Buds Live, especially when you're starting off pairing it with your smartphone, which smartphone it works with, how it works, what kind of battery life do you get, and how do you charge the case for the Galaxy Buds. Apart from that, these also come with micro USB cable, black in color, nicely wrapped inside this case, and these are used to charge the case, which is going to charge the Buds. And essentially what you're looking at here is the charging case, which is black in color, blends nicely in with the color of the Buds itself, and Samsung is written over here right in the front, along with sound by AKG. AKG is the sound technology which Samsung is providing through these earbuds, so it's going to be quite good in terms of the quality, especially for this price. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Live Buds, the true wireless earbuds from Samsung, powered by AKG, which comes with noise cancellation support and offers battery life up to 21 hours. For more videos, check out hindustantimes.com.